Your sister Irie got you that.
Della, that's from the baby. That's from your baby. She's in the bottom.
Sweet Barbie ride, lady. Yeah.
Did Irie get you a present, Della? Is that from your baby sister?
Zora, go in the house.
Look. Do you like it?
Make it go.
Say thank you, Irie.
This is from Irie.
Say thank you.
Oh, she wants you to put the baby in.
Put the baby in the car seat, please.
She's eating. You get in. You show Irie how it works. Daddy, want to show you how it works?
Yeah. Here.
She's sitting in the bottom.
I'm recording the video, so. All right, we're gonna sit down. You don't have to get all the way down in there, silly goose. Right up here, and then see this? See this? Whoa.
Can you press that with your foot?
And hang on to here.
And then you steer.
There you go, press. Press that with your foot.
She like that.
There you go. Yeah. Try it again. Put your foot on there. Press it.
It's just like the cooler lady. Use your hands to steer, lady.
Hey, put your hands on the steering wheel. You got to drive it.
Is there a seatbelt in there? No. She needs a seatbelt.
She needs a seatbelt.
She's a little crazy.
You want to put the helmet on?
Yeah, she's